This is Anthony with AA Sewer Inspection. We're here at 3915 North Argyle in North Portland, and we're here in the basement in the northeast corner going into a 4-inch cast iron cleanout. Pushed our camera out 39 feet here, and we're looking at the city connection in North Seward, and we'll examine the sewer line coming back. Okay, the concrete's showing some wear. And so here is a crack right near the city connection out in the street, and we'll go ahead and locate this as well and mark this with green paint. Okay, here's some significant offset or some damage, and it looks like a leak here at 25 feet. Another offset fitting. Looks like another crack break here at 17 feet, just to the top right. So it looks like another crack here at 14 feet. Some broken sections of concrete pipe. So here at 4 feet is our connection from the cast iron here in the basement out to the concrete hub. And we're going to go ahead and mark this, locate this with green, and we'll get another location out in the street. And of course, we've got damaged, broken pipes, suggested repair, and it'll be marked in green.